like in my case, in case you still have to drive without cruise control, as a possible temporary solution, you could use this speed limit button, which is gonna give you the option limit, and you can set the speed limit which will your vehicle will not go over. So it's actually gonna be a little bit easier on the long run. Like in my case, I still have to drive 2,000 miles, so this should be helpful, because that way I don't have to watch the traffic, don't watch the speed limit, and just can basically just step on it and not to worry to get caught with the police or something like that.